Okay, this is my video for major chord shapes, and it's for lecture 11. So start off with C. The chord shape is, the octave shape is that. Full chord for C is that. And then we have F, octave, full chord. And G, we have the octave, and that's a full chord. So then we go up to the next spot, the second spot, and we move everything up one. So C, we now use pattern 2. There's the octave. There's a full pattern. F becomes pattern 5. There's the octave. Full chord. And now G is the octave. And full chord. That's pattern 4. So then we move up to the next spot. So this time we're pattern 3 for C. So your octave is there, full chord. Start. Okay, and now for F, we now go to pattern 1. There's the octave. And the chord. And for G, there's the octave. And full chord. So that's pattern 5. Okay, so now we move up to the next spot. The octave, we've got an octave there. I think that's it. Full chord. That's pattern 4. And then for F, we are going to go with pattern 2. for G it now becomes pattern 1. And the octave is here. Sorry, no it's not. It's not easy, this chord. Now the last spot for C, we're now using pattern 5. Figure this out here. This is octave, the full chord. And for F, pattern 3. Try to get this chord. So here's the octave, full chord. And for G, now pattern 2. There's an octave, full chord. Okay, so now we go back down again. So start here again, so octave, so that's G, pattern 2. And for F, we're using pattern 3. There's the octave, pattern 3F, full chord. And for C, pattern 5. Octave. Okay, moving down to the next spot, and for G, pattern 1, we get there's the octave, full chord. And for F, pattern 2, there's an octave, full chord, octave, full chord. And C, pattern 4, the octave, the full chord. And now moving down to the next spot. So for G, pattern 5, an octave, there's a full chord. F, pattern 1, so we have octave. Okay, and the full chord. Okay, now down to C. This time it's pattern 3. It's an octave. No, it's not. That's it. There's full chord. Okay, and now down to the next spot. So for G with pattern 4, it's an octave. It's also an octave. Right, okay, the full chord. And for F, using pattern 5, an octave there, the full chord. C, it's an octave there, the full chord. Down to the final shape. So for G, the octave and the full chord. For F, octave there, also full chord. And finally C, the octave is there, and a full chord.